còn quấn quýt đâu đây. Thì làm sao anh hỡi người tình chân ơi, dù sao em cũng là người yêu dấu trong tôi, nên đêm vẫn gọi tên người dù đã bỏ ta đi rồi. Cho nhau thương yêu và căng cách nơi đây. Đêm nay một mình tôi hát lại bài hát không vui, nhạc tàn đêm đổ đền màu cao buồn thì xanh sao ngoài phố nhỏ chập trùng. Mình còn yêu nhau không, hay có còn thương nhau không? Đây cuộc tình chia tay, những kỷ niệm hàng người còn quấn quýt đâu đây. Thì làm sao anh hỡi người tình nhân ơi, dù sao em cũng là
lined up. They both take off. They're going full throttle. And a lot of the idiots, they don't know what's going on. You know, they're out at the street races just to be there. And all of a sudden, you see a car trying to like bust a U-turn in the middle of the lane. And that's real bad. That's the way a lot of people have died, and that's the way a lot of the accidents happen.
It's a big risk every night when you go out, and a possibility of getting hit by a car or crashing.
If a car is going down the street and say a front-wheel drive car breaks the axle, it's gonna veer to that side. It's gonna bang you and all of your friends, whoever's standing around you or whoever just so happens to be in that exact section. You're gonna get banged, and getting banged by a car going 60, 80, whatever mile an hour it is, it's not gonna be pretty.
Worst part if you get pulled over by a cop is, 1, you could go to jail, 2, you could lose your car, or 3, you get fixie tickets that you just don't really want. Hopefully the cop's not smart enough to understand what you have under the hood, because you're constantly fixing it. So it's not worth it.
Sometimes we'll get these guys out here and they'll pretty much just block off a track or help